All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're doing an update on the Autel MS MS 908S Pro. I bought this a while ago, and I've been using it as one of my go-to scan tools. I'm currently hooked up to a Hyundai, and we're going to auto detect it. No, I did not auto detect it before. Actually, I didn't hook to this vehicle with this tool before. Actually, I did. I'm sorry, I did. Now, until I got the Bosch ADS 625, this has been my main go-to scan tool. We're going to do control unit. There's some stuff I like about it. There's some stuff I don't like about it. Now, we'll read codes. It is a coolant temp sensor code, in case you can't read that. Severe overheat. 2016 Kia. It's no good. So obviously I can't run this vehicle because, well, head gasket is blown. I'm going to go to some live data. We're going to look at it real quick because, all right, so we've got some PID. We're going to go ahead and graph them. Now obviously they're not going to be moving because, well, car's not running. And as you can see, my fuel tank pressure value is kind of spiking up and down. That is probably the weakest part of this tool, is its graphing. It's okay. I mean, it's honestly, the graphing part of this tool is okay. It's not my favorite. If I'm looking at fuel trims and trying to diagnose a VE issue, a volumetric efficiency issue, I switch tools. Truth be told, that is one of its weakest parts, is the graphing. To graph those PIDs in a much better graph situation, I grab the Bosch, I grab the OTC, or grab the Snap-on. Snap-on is probably the preeminent in graphing PIDs. So that is one of the weakest parts of that tool. The Chinese translations have gotten a lot better. There's still a few issues in there, but they've gotten a lot better. But they have definitely improved the translation from Chinese to English. Now, let's talk about the pros. Well, as long as you keep your subscription updated, it updates all the time. As you can see from my screen, I've got plenty of updates that I haven't done yet. It's even more. And yes, I know I can change the icons, I just haven't. What is it good at? It's really good at giving you data that is not on the Snap-on. There's lots of PIDs where they just don't exist on the Snap-on, they do on the Autel. Key programming, I do, several key programmings, they work great. A lot of stuff that just doesn't exist in some of the other tools, Bosch and Snap-on combined. It does things that OTC, Bosch, and Snap-on just don't do. Stuff that is kind of important. Diagnosing and the PIDs you need is not in the tool, but they are in a different tool. It's very disappointing, especially for the price point of the Snap-on. One of the things I wind up doing a lot of times when I'm helping other technicians in the shop is I grab a different tool. I mean, not being ugly. The Bosch has saved my butt a couple times. The OTC has saved my butt a couple times against Snap-on. But the Autel has really saved a lot of guys in this shop's bacon. Because, I got those PIDs. It's skewed. Well, that was easy once I actually got a PID to look at. Let's go test it, make sure it's producing what it says it is. Let's put that part on because, it tested bad. Unfortunately, that is why I have an Autel. For the stuff that the other guys just do not do. Would I recommend this tool as my only tool? Yes. I mean, honestly, yes, I could. The graphing stuff is stuff that you just have to get used to, and you know, I've got another tool, so I don't have to. But yes, absolutely, this tool could be the only go-to tool in the shop and do very well at it. Would I run out and buy another one? Absolutely. You know, luckily mine's under warranty, so, and it hasn't given me a lick of trouble, so I would definitely replace this tool. There's tools that we all have, you know, that we just can't live without. You know, it breaks. We're on the phone to the tool truck. We're on the phone, you know, we're on Amazon. We're at AES Wave. We got to get a new one. That's one of those tools. You know, it's such a lifesaver when you need it. You know, you need it. So definitely something I would recommend. Thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're doing an update on the Autel. All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're doing an All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're doing an update on the Autel. All right, I'm the